On our third and final day for this 3-day event, MSME One Expo 2024. Nalipay ba ang tanan? Ay, wala man. Nalipay ba ang tanan? Okay, especially ang atong mga exhibitors, partners, and of course, ang tanan mall goers, dali sa Ayala Mall sent to you. So thank you very much. First and foremost, allow me to acknowledge, of course, we have our partners from the local government units. We have Mayor Angelo G. Capistrano of Salay. Mayor, thank you. We also have Mayor of Villanueva, Misamis Oriental, Honorable Jenny Mendez. I think she is already here. Next to representing Mayor now. And of course, representing Mayor Eric Neriosa of Limongan City. We have Dr. Enrique S. Guevara, the City Administrator of Limongan City. So, nato si Sir, I think abi na maglaras na Limong Kugan. And we have Annie Abrugar, representing the province of Misamis Oriental. PMU Lead Consultant, Makani. Okay. And of course, we have from the city government of Cagayan de Oro, the head of the Oro Trade and Investment Promotion Center, we have Rita Legaspi. We also have the co-chairman of the Cagayan de Oro City Price Coordinating Council, Attorney Jose Edgardo Huy. Hi, Attorney. And we have also the representative of Honorable Vice Mayor Jocelyn Rodriguez, Attorney Yerian Aguinaldo. Thank you, Attorney. Of course, our ever-active partner from the private sector, we have the President of Oro Chamber, Dr. Jess Hardin, and of course, we have with him, we have our Board of Trustees, Engineer Avelin Kahulugan, and Engineer Ariel Marco Brito. Okay. Did I miss somebody? I hope I didn't miss. I know our partners, all our partners are here to celebrate with us as we end this 3-day activity.
Mia's and Saimara's Food Products, Wada's Peanut Butter Manufacturing, Jasmine Alexander Foods, Sela Coffee and Pastries, Mangkikos Cacao, Trunk to Gold Agribusiness Corp, Pukots Grill, SC Green Grocery and Food Processing, Frozen Kitchenette, Sucre House of Concoctions, Astrid Handicraft Store, Crafty Jess Sticker Printing Services, Cutie Mama Wellness Products Manufacturing, Cami Candles, Samor Coffee Shop, Negosyo Center Villanueva, Negosyo Center Himoog City, Cami Creative, Paper Plane Creation, Coogie Hands Arts and Craft Manufacturing, MK and MS Co. Four Eyes Herbal Products Manufacturing, Pagmaya Chocolate, Dream Patisserie, Crest Presents and Coffee, MD Events and Services, Arumina Scents, Touch of Grace Coconut Products Manufacturing, Chand Plus Full Logistics Corp, MLG Advertising. Participating exhibitors in this year's MSME One Expo. Let's give them a big round of applause.